Circuit works in two modes, conversation mode and listening mode. Since the speakers act as a speaker as well as a microphone, the push-pull switch determines their functionality. When the switch is in position 2, speaker 2 connected to the calling circuit acts as a microphone and speaker 1 connected to the conversation circuit acts as a speaker. When the switch is in position 1, the exact vice versa happens. When a visitor comes knocking at the door, they can press the doorbell to announce their presence. The resident hears the doorbell from speaker 2 and presses the switch such that he or she is able to talk or listen to the visitor.